Hi guys, it's me again, and we're outside my backyard again where we filmed the mud video. And remember how I told you it was raining in the mud video, right? Well, it's raining right now. Once the rain ends, it depends on how long the rain is. If it's very long, the sand will be very soft. And it's raining heavily. I'm starting to get wet, as you can see on my shirt. And it's also pretty smooth rain. I just came outside and the mud patch is still there. It's still muddy. If I'm gonna show you the mud patch. Ooh. This is the mud patch. So it's not muddy anymore. It hardened. It's like real sand now. And yeah, my shirt's getting awfully wet now. There's no thunder. It's a pretty peaceful rain. It's pretty cold. And